as we're starting to come towards the end of session one here, perhaps we can bring Ervin back. Ervin Laszlo is here with us, and hopefully you've been enjoying some of the engagements.
Yes, I have been. I have been enjoying them. Yeah.
And the speakers that followed you, Ervin, were excellent. Are there any sort of reflections that you have for us as we come towards the end of the first session of this Humanity Sacred Mission Symposium?
Off the cuff, it seems to me that the idea of fundamental change is getting hold. That really that is not something that you can patch up. That is something new is beginning, and we have to live that something new. And that change starts with us. I mean, I think these are things that are seem to be coming out. The whole notion of upshift, which I loved about 2 years ago, and now it's catching on. I mean, people are and organizations, everything is using it. And I think the whole idea of the sacred mission will likewise probably catch on. That is something more than just a patchwork. There's something that's very deep that is awaiting us and that we have to do. This is a moral obligation as conscious human beings. So I think these things are literally catching on. Sorry, I'm using another computer, so the photo is not so good. Probably I would have to put on another light, but I used other lights in all the other computers.
You're fine, Ervin. It's good. It's just great to have you with us.
Okay, so I could switch over on the other computer, so I have to use this one. Okay, so I'm very happy with the idea of fundamental change. Really, something important is happening, and it starts with us. I mean, these are, I think, things that we have to take away. We can take with us.
Well, thank you so much. And I think it's been a beautiful session. It's our first one of 6. And then, of course, we're going to have the 2 harvest days on February 18th. And we're going to continue to improve and learn and grow. I really want to thank you, Jarvis Smith and Lauren Lamore, for facilitating, for speaking today, and to all of our speakers who were really excellent. We'll keep the Zoom room open for a little while longer. But I just wanted to acknowledge the 2 of you for doing a great job. This is session 1, which is closing, and then session 2, which is coming up in just a few hours, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. We're going to move quite quickly to implementation, which I think is super exciting. And I know everyone here is ready to go and get it done, whatever getting it done may look like. We have some business leaders from Europe, some brilliant thought leaders. Michael Sheldrick's the co-founder of Global Citizen, where many of us know the festivals, Adam C. Hall, Harry Vegi and Tamsin and Rocky. It's an amazing lineup, and it's going to be facilitated engagement session from Anna Marie Vahova and Hasina Patel from the Hague Center for Global Governance. So there's a lot more. And then tomorrow, it just continues with these extraordinary global leaders coming together, synergizing for change at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Peacemaking, co-hosted by John Raymer and the incredible group that's come together around peacemaking. And then session 5, embody and engage. They're all amazing. And session 6, bringing it home. Slightly different time on Sunday. It's at 4 p.m. instead of 6 p.m. So all of them are going to have these engagement sessions. But thank you, Lauren. Thank you, Jarvis. Do you have any sort of closing reflections, Lauren Lamore? And again, thank you for your support and your work to facilitate this session and to present today.